the trailhead of Abram Falls. And we're not going to walk back today, but we hear lots of water, so I thought there might have been a nice view. And we're curious how many miles this is back, because it's something we'd like to do in the future for a nice trail. Go all the way back and see the waterfalls. It's apparently one of the more popular ones here. Oh, I can already see a little fog over the water. I know there's a view coming up, because I can see a lot more than you guys can. Oh yeah. A bridge and a stream. This is what I'm hearing. I had to get on this bridge and look upstream. Yep, not really that much to see. The fallen tree. It actually looks nicer downstream. And there's downstream. Yeah, I'm gonna walk to the end of this bridge and see how many miles out to Abram Falls. It's too late in the day, so Rai and I are not gonna walk out there. Last thing we want to do is be stuck out there in the freaking darkness, thus ending up staying a night in the woods. No, it's 2.5 miles. So sometime when we have about 2 hours, we'll have to come out this way. Probably be done in an hour and a half, but you don't want to take the chances. Next time we'll go to Abrams Falls. Well, that's another angle to look at the stream near Abrams Falls, or I should say at the trailhead. So Rai's up as always, putting her hand in the cold water, always acting like she's majorly amazed at how cold it is, but yet she does this every time. Let's go up and ask Rai. So just how cold is that water, Rai? Let's see. Are you surprised it's cold? Yeah, let me get a look from this other angle. There we go. There's the money shot. Now if I just get Rai's head out of it. So she leans upwards. Now it's not going to be funny when you trip and fall in that cold water. Okay. Water from outer space. Or water in your face. It's just awesome how that water just kind of falls over those rocks.